Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can calculate different types of means in Excel. So let's start. Mean means average. That is, we frequently use arithmetic mean. That is the simple average or average. That is, you have to add all the data of a data set and divide it by the total number of the individual data. That is, you have to sum all this data, divide by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is how arithmetic mean or average is done. Okay, so to calculate arithmetic mean, we start with equal sign. When you will type few letters of average, AVE, then you will see the function is appeared here. Double click on that, or you can type it entirely through capital letter or small letter, it will work. Then select the entire range, closing bracket. Here you are. So this is how you can calculate arithmetic mean. How to calculate geometric mean? It is also similar, but instead of using average, we have to use geometric mean, GEO. We don't need to type the whole thing. Double click on that, then select the entire data, closing bracket. Here is your geometric mean. And harmonic mean now is equal to HA. You can see harmonic mean is there. Double click on that, select the entire range, closing bracket. So this is how you can calculate arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. That's all for today. Thank you very much.